Now I just going to the food court, which is very closer to Little India. It's a part of Little India also, but it's a little bit we need to walk from, maybe 1.5 minutes we need to walk to that place. That's it. And see the mosque there. It's attached to the mosque, the same building of the mosque. The food street comes on the same building of the mosque. We need to cross the road. There got a flyover bridge, so I crossed there and let's go and check it out. How is the situation over there in the food courts? And here, just opposite of the food court, you can see here the bus stop. SMK La Salle Brickfields B. So from here we will get the bus Mid Valley, you know, and that side going to be is the Little India Brickfields, and here is the bus stop comes, which we can go to Mid Valley on. Just opposite of the bus stops is comes to the food court over that side. And if we go straight, it will take us to the Petlinjaya, because there got a board, I can see it's written arrow mark to Petlinjaya, and here there a nice ground here. It's so spacious and very big ground that side. And see here Petlinjaya. This main road is guiding us to the Petlinjaya. It is easy to cross the road here. If normal days it is not that easy to cross here. I am at the food court area. Let's go and check it out. The food court is attached to the mosque. You can see there is the mosque, and below it's going to the bottom, it's going to be the food courts. Let's go and check it out how. I got few burger stalls. This is the situation, guys. There are nothing happening, no business happening, only few people are there. Normally this place, especially today is Friday, normally these places are crowded with, you know, we won't get a seat there. So today all the seats are empty because we cannot dine in, right? So people still comes for takeaways, but still it's not that crowd over there. Still we can see there are demand for the flowers and flower stalls here. So that's why we can see this area full flower shops areas are very active here. I think only this affected like the clothing shops. The clothing shops much affected, especially in Little India. So the barber shops cannot, all are closed here. The barber shops all are closed. All the shops, they shut down, everything closed. There is not much crowd this time here. So I am going to walk from Little India to New Central now. Let's go and see what's happening. New Central is in KL Central. Let's go and see how's there. Normally this area, these pathways are, you know, very busy. A lot of people walks through this area because this pathway is connecting to KL Central to the Little India Brickfields here. Here it's going to be the Ashramam, Vivekananda Ashramam. Swami Vivekananda Ashramam is here between the Little India and the New Central, KL Central area. See? The Vivekananda Ashramam Kuala is situating between the KL Central and Little India. Guys, right now I am in New Central Mall. Time is 8 PM night. Now everything closed here, so I'm just going back. The mall has closed the door, everything, and all the people's just going outside. So better, I thought, maybe I will go and take the train and go back to home. Everything has closed here. All are going back. It's 8 PM, everything closed. I'm not sure about till what time this the train service will be open. So I just go back for my safety. Okay. Once we come here, this is like the automatic scan here. Our temperature will be automatically recorded in the monitor over there. So right now at the LRT station, LRT counter, I have to scan here. So we'll scan here. Nowadays it's better to go back before 8 p.m. So I found the police, everyone is surrounding after 8 p.m. all over the place. So better go back to home around 8 p.m. maximum. After that it's not safety around Jalan these places. Try to get back to before 8 p.m. or 8 p.m. Go back home. That's the safety for everyone. So I'm just going back. That's better for me. Okay guys, the LRT train has came. I'm going back. Good night. Enjoy your life. Bye. Everything closed guys, everything. Actually I just want to buy something. It's almost after 8 p.m. we won't get anything from anywhere if we are not lucky, you know. These days after 8 p.m. everything will close. I saw in the news the restaurant can operate till midnight, till 12, but it's not that true, you know. It's not correct. I just went out. It's just after 8 p.m. everything closed. I went Family Mart, I approached 7-Eleven, all closed, and all the restaurants also as well closed. So after 8 p.m. we cannot do anything. We have money, but we cannot use the money after 8 p.m. That's the thing. So better go back or buy whatever we want. Around 7:30 we finish everything. Go back home before 8. That's the better. That's what I experienced today.